You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish. If you want to learn more Spanish, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Chico. Chico, meaning a boy, a kid, a male kid. If you want to learn how to say a girl, stay tuned. I've got a video for you pronounced here as Chico. Chico. Stress on the first syllable. Spanish pronunciation, Chico. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.